Alright guys, so today it's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna clean up some of the garage because I got a bad habit of doing stuff, not putting it away and leaving stuff everywhere. As you can see, it's a real bad habit. But generally I don't lose anything, I just leave a mess. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit, work on the car, pull some stuff out of the engine bay, like some of the wiring harness and everything, because I want to clean it up. Brian, that's for you, Brian Poncho. But I'm gonna get this going. Just like I said, please like, subscribe. It means a lot to me. It's like I said, I like doing this. I just never vlogged it. I've been doing so much car stuff over the years and never vlogged it, never done a thing about it. So just like, subscribe, let me know how you feel about it, and let's do this. Let's keep going. I've been looking at going to a standalone setup, less stuff to worry about going wrong, more stuff to monitor with. If you're into the speed community, you already know Justin at FreakTune is running a Motec setup. You know, I like it, but I've been looking at the Fuel Tech standalone, like the FT550 and the FT600s. I'm really thinking about it. The price is good. A lot of their cars go fast, so I might look into that. I like being a little different, trying something different. You know, different doesn't always work or win races, but it's just different. It might work out. I might be that guy who goes fast with it. I don't know, but I want to try something different. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. Should I go with the Fuel Tech FT 550 or 600? You know, for all the things that it does, all built into the dash. I will be asking some of the tuners I know, see what they think. Pretty sure, you know, they can't really give me an input because I'll probably be one of the first people to do it. But there's some progress going on. Like I said, I cleaned up my walking path for now. Next video, I will be pulling the engine out of the car to the back and taking it all apart. It won't be the same way with the process of this motor. I'll just be pulling everything out and dropping it off at the machine shop to get taken care of. But thank you guys for watching. Like I said, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button to let you know when I'm dropping new videos. And again, I appreciate you guys watching. Let anybody you know